I'm going to show you in this video how to program the HR pad wireless keypad to a FAAC XT2 868 system. So here we've got two FAAC XT2s, there's a white and the black version. They both program exactly the same, it's only the casings that are different. This also works for the 4-button FAAC remotes as well, the XT4. So I'm going to show you using the white version. I've rigged up a receiver here so that I can show you it working, and I've pre-programmed this remote into that receiver. So if I press the button on there, you can see the red LED flashing, you hear a click when it operates. So this keypad I'm going to program into the FAAC system. I'm just going to show you at the minute that it's not working. This keypad at the minute is set to the default factory passcode of 4 ones. So if I enter the 4 ones and then I press channel 1, you see nothing happens with the receiver. So we're going to make that work now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to program the code across. Just a quick note, I'm going to use the FAAC remotes transmit 2 different codes. So you've got your standard code when you press a single button like this, but then you've also got the seed codes which is used for programming that you may have used to program your remotes. And to get this remote to transmit its seed code, what you do is you press both buttons together till the light blinks like that, and then you press and hold the button you normally use, and that remote is now emitting its seed code, which we'll need to use now. So what I'm going to do the programming, first of all, on the keypad we press the radio button once on the bottom right, then we enter the passcode, which is 4 ones in this case, and then we hold the radio button for 5 seconds to put the keypad into programming mode. And at this point, you see we've got the green light. We press and hold the button we normally use to operate the gates, or in this case the receiver. The light comes solid, and then we need to transmit the seed code. So I'm going to do both buttons together and then the one single one. You can see the light blinking fast. Now I need to press the button where I want to store that code. So these keypads have 4 channels. So at that point I could have pressed either button 1, 2, 3 or 4. I pressed button 1, which has now stored that code into channel 1. So now to test that, when I'll now enter the passcode 4 ones, and now I'm going to press the channel I want, which is channel 1, and you can see that operates the receiver now. If I press 1 again, it'll transmit the code and operate the receiver. So that's how we do the programming.